course.
Are you really tired?
Yeah.
I wonder if I could take a nap.
Yeah. Hold on. Recording smiles. Yeah. Look. There are grandparents that are going to be very happy about these little smiles. Yeah.
I love his little smile.
I love his little smile too.
I was in the mall when I was shopping for stuff.
Wait a sec. This is my masterpiece. Yeah. Yeah. You love your mama, don't you? Yeah. Are you happy about your new home and being so close to the water? Yeah. Where's my little smile? Where's my little smile? Yeah. There we go. Yeah. This is our happy little bean. Let's see what the feet are doing. It's very cute with the feet. Yeah. I love you so much. I love you so much. Yeah. Little fingers. Okay.